And now a lot of people may want to make money off of the elections. It seems difficult to do, though, because you could buy stocks based on who you think might win. But you could also buy stocks in the candidates themselves. That's where it gets interesting, and that's where our Your Money, Your Vote comes in. Our senior correspondent Scott Cohn has this report. Good morning.
Good morning, Aaron. You know, this has been around for a while, but every election year it seems to get more and more popular. Political futures markets. They started as an academic exercise, but now in a virtual exchange run by the Irish company Intrade, you can put real money on the candidate you think will win. Some say this market is more accurate than the polls, but others say it's the inaccuracy that makes this a trader's bonanza.
Meet Serge Ravage. He's a professional poker player, but this year he's putting his chips in a different game, the political prediction market at Intrade. And he says he's cleaning up.
How big a chunk of your income is this?
1/4 to 1/2 anywhere, depending on how lucky I wind up being here.
Ravage says the idea that Intrade is an accurate predictor of elections is a joke, and that's how he's making serious money. An example, last December, Intrade gave Ron Paul a 10% chance of winning the Republican nomination. He shorted Ron Paul and cleaned up.
That was essentially 9% in free money, and these kinds of trades happen on Intrade on a daily basis.
Ravage says that's because this market, unlike a traditional stock or futures market, trades mostly on emotion. These are political junkies.
I'm not discounting the wisdom of crowds theory entirely. I think there is an element of truth to it, but given that this market is what it is, I don't think it's accurate in this case.
But others say it's the dispassionate traders, the pros like Ravage, who balance out emotional players and make Intrade so accurate. And while Intrade's traders sometimes get it wrong like everyone else, they missed Hillary Clinton's surprise win in New Hampshire, for example, some say it is still a useful tool.
It gives you just a real-time indicator of the narrative or the pulse of the race.
Or is it just mimicking what the polls have already shown? That's what Serge Ravage is betting, and he claims he's winning.
One more example of this, despite the fact that Joe Biden, we know, is Obama's running mate, somebody was buying Hillary Clinton futures this morning for 28 cents a share. In other words, they think she still has a 3% chance of becoming the vice presidential nominee. As for the marquee presidential